Rajeshri ma'am, if you say, shall I brief the students about the idea behind this platinum placement group?
Madam, please go ahead. Please go ahead.
Yeah, thank you, ma'am. So good afternoon all, and dear all students here. I welcome all the SY BTech student of Computer Engineering and Information Technology for this special session on Platinum Placement Group. So you must be wondering what is this name and why this special session is called. So students, as you all are aware, PCCOE has already made a mark with academic excellence with university toppers in the university. Even in research domain also students are doing good placement. We have very good placements, but we are not happy with the statistics which we have with us. Means we are aiming high. We want that you all should get the placement with your all dream status companies like IITs, NITs, and other very reputed institutes are having those placements. So like Amazon, in last 10 days, we had one first round of by Amazon for the internship with 1 lakh per month and packages 22 lakh. And last year also the company was there. So, but hardly 1 or 2 students could reach up to the final rounds, and even in the final selection, their name was not there. So what happens, though you learn the subjects, data structure, programming in your initial years, especially SYBTech semester 1, but later on that seriousness is means students are not practicing it on regular basis. And we as a team means Dr. Rajeshwari ma'am, head of the department, computer department, Dr. Sheetal Kumar Ravandre sir, Dean III PCET group, Dr. Sheetal Bhandari ma'am, she is Dean Academics PCCOE, and I am Dr. Sonali Patil, heading IT department. We all are like witnessing this, and that's why we as a team come up with some proposal, and we discuss with our honorable director sir, and he also supported that. And regarding that only we are going to talk to you today. So this platinum placement group means we want to select the students who want to really achieve these goals, that they are not happy with the 10 lakhs and 12 lakhs package, but their aim is more than 15 lakhs, 20 lakhs, like that. And for those preparations, and not only for the placement, but like a very reputed programming contest, ICPC, IEEE Extreme, and even we want to see you in the star coders list, like 7-star coder of CodeShape, then lit code, there your good performance, gigs to gigs, there your good performance. So how we can do this? So just to begin with your batch, our first autonomous students batch, we decided that we all team members have come up with one proposal, that we will have the shortlisting of the students at SY BTech level. Means in next week you will be receiving the Google form where the students who want to pursue their career with very good this reputed product based software companies, IT companies, and for that preparation, but to whom to support, or for these grooming sessions and all this training sessions. So that's why we will first ask you to nominate yourself. If you are interested, you will fill that Google forms. We will ask you to fill all your details, even your previous academic results. If you are having already having the CodeShape account or HackerRank account, LeetCode account, so there your performance, your stars, existing status you can update. And along with that, we will be having one test. So we'll be declaring the schedule of the test soon after we receive the nominations. And the test will be conducted on the analytical ability, then whatever the first year programming you had, based on that your problem solving ability, like that. And means third party will get involved for the test purpose. From the test results, the students will be shortlisted, and those shortlisted students will be provided with the special training. Special training means very focused training, which will be specially preparing the students with the like internship. We are aiming that in third year only you should have the Microsoft, Google, Amazon internships, and in final year you should have the very good placement, and also you should make a mark at very reputed programming contest, as well as various other contests like hackathons and all, where government is looking to get the problem solved. And so that problem solving ability as well as excellent programming skill, problem solving skills, we want to we want to prepare you for all that. And this is an attempt, and this will not only happen just by announcing the or this proposal and just sharing this proposal with you, but until and unless you are imbibed with it, your thought process is inclined with this, and you are passionate about this will not happen. So this is in induction, we all team of the members decided that we will make you aware about this scheme. And as I said, then we will be floating all the forms and in detail all the instructions. This is the idea behind it. That's it from my side. Ashwini ma'am, has sir joined?
Yes, ma'am. I have allowed him to speak.
Okay. So, sir, good afternoon.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, sir. Over to you, sir. Good afternoon, sir. We were waiting for you only.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you so much,
the
ma'am.
thought process behind this. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. Can I share the screen? Ashwini, ma'am, can you please give me that authority?
Yes, sir. Just a minute. Hello, sir. Please check, sir. Can you share now?
Ma'am, can you see the screen?
Yes, sir. It's visible, and you are clearly audible.
Okay. Thank you so much, Sonali ma'am, Rajeshwari ma'am, Ashwini ma'am, and all the members of our this special task. So, dear friends, we want that our students should get selected in top-notch companies, and we are trying for it, right? But somehow we are not getting that much result which we are expecting, and that's why our team thought that let us have some special batch and let us give some additional inputs to these students so that they will be ready for this kind of industries, right? Because their preparation level is different, and if we really start early, then I think it is very much possible. This is not that tough, dear friend. So I'll just run through some of the slides. So product companies, we know they have their own products, maybe like Google, Microsoft, Facebook, and they have very high salaries, excellent work culture, and maybe flexible working hours. If we see some of the salaries of these top-notch companies, then maybe, for example, Microsoft, it gives 45 lakhs, Goldman Sachs around 35, Amazon, Adobe, then maybe Atlantis, and there are many other product companies also. So we can aim for some of those, because ordinary life, we don't want that our students should go and reach the career which is just a simple career. 3.5, 4.5 is not a big deal now for students of colleges like PCCOE. So I think your aim should be big, and for that purpose we want to show you some larger picture also, dear friends. So, dear friends, what are the chances of campus recruitment? So, as far as these companies are concerned, for campus recruitment, most of these product companies go to only tier one colleges, maybe like IITs, NITs, and very few colleges, maybe like COEP or some private colleges like BITS, etc., and some top-notch colleges only they go. Otherwise, most of the other students, and see, but whether they go to only those colleges, no, it's not like that. They give another opportunity of internship to other colleges. For example, Amazon is coming to our college for almost like 4 years now. This year also Amazon's test has already been done and we are awaiting the result. So maybe there are chances that some of our students will get selected. But we have not given them special trainings, and students on their own have done whatever efforts they have put in. We thought that let us come together and give some additional input so that our the chances of our students getting selected will be more. So that was the basic purpose for which we are starting this. So other college students can also work very hard and they can get into it. Another good way is references. So here I would like to suggest, please talk to some of the alumni, find out on the net which are the alumni of LinkedIn is the best way. So find out through LinkedIn which are the alumni of PCCOE or PCET who are right now working in these top-notch companies, and try to connect with them, because these people also get some references. Internally, company HR circulates, okay, we need some graduates of say 2021, 2022. So if you have some references, please share. So accordingly, these employees of these top-notch companies, they share that information to their juniors or their maybe their friends, etc. So if you get such references, then in that case you can appear for that company's drive. So that is also more than sufficient. So please find out which are the alumni working in this company. We also in the later stage, Sonali ma'am, Rajeshwari ma'am, we people will be also providing you some of the connects, but you remain in touch with them, because at a time they cannot give their reference to all 100 students. They can give 2, 3, 4, 5 good students, right? So that's why you have to develop your own connects. And not only our alumni, if you have some relatives, friends working in such companies, or even if not friends, etc., but if you wisely find out which are the people working in who are attached to certain groups, maybe there are different LinkedIn groups or other groups, Quora, etc. Those platforms are there. Maybe these platforms, like ma'am said, HackerRank, HackerEarth, CodeShape. So on those platforms also, if your presence is there, then automatically these people, some experienced guys are also there. So they also help. They also sometimes participate. Through that also, you can see who are the winners and you can get in touch with them. Then you can send them request mails or LinkedIn connections. Then probably they will help you out in further stages. Okay, I'm also interested in this. Can you guide? So that is the way, dear friends, you on your own also should try, right? Any branch student, it's not that only one branch student can appear, all branch students, but specifically the interested students who are there who like programming, they can do well in this. But to be frank, if you ask me, hardly 2 months preparation is required for getting selected. And I'm not joking, I'm not giving you showing you the carrots, dear friends. It's true. You can see on YouTube, there are videos available of Google, Amazon, and other companies select students. Some of them were first timers, but they really put their heart and soul into it. If you do it, dear friends, 2 months is not a big deal. 1 month for getting perfectly, what we can say, excellent programmer, either in C++ or Java, and maybe next, as ma'am said, DSA. So DSA is the crux here. So for DSA, you will need probably only 1 month to prepare thoroughly. And if you want to go into depth, then maybe as per your your level or your how much you can grab from various sources, that depends upon person to person. But I think 1 month is more than sufficient for preparing data structures and algorithms. But what is needed? Confidence level, that attitude, I can and I will, right? And keep your target big, then only this is possible. By chance, if you miss it, start from service company, and then, but this route, we want that this the students who will get selected, like maybe Anand Kumar, famous teacher of Super 30, Super 30 fame, you might be aware. He has those 30, right? 30 people who joined finally IIT. So similarly, we want that some of our students should be really working very hard for this purpose, and we want that we should also help them. That hand holding probably is needed, and we are ready. College, our principal, our HODs are very much keen to see that most of our students, many of our students, starting from some few students, in later stage, we want to keep big targets for our students. So probably you will be the lucky batch in which we will be putting our more efforts, dear friends, right? Then what do these companies want? They want that students should perform immediately. These companies don't give training of 4 months, 6 months, and then again keep you on bench. Then when the projects will come, then no, nothing like that in product companies. Immediately, as early as possible, maybe in 2 3 days training, maybe company culture, etc., ethics and codes, etc. Afterwards they want that you should directly start working on the projects, and that's why they want that hands-on practice should be good, and this student should be able to solve certain problems of the industry, right? Buddies or mentors are given for handholding. They do not spend more time on training. In-depth technical knowledge they want. Concept should be clear, and logic building, yes, the crux again of getting selected into these companies is they want problem solvers. Thinking, logical thinking especially, should be excellent, and that's why logic building capabilities they generally check, their friends, right? Work on good projects, like maybe upload your projects, apps. Some apps you guys can develop during your this tenure as a student. So please develop some apps, do some projects, upload them, and then give them certain what we can say viewers should be there. If you can float it that way, then probably you can also be in the limelight. 2 3 projects to solve for the society or industry problems. They want that projects can be done from one website. Maybe there are different websites like Udacity, Upwork.com, Freelancer.com, etc. Right? And knowledge of latest technologies they expect, and contribution. Yes, this last point is also important, dear friends. Contribution in open source. There are ways, I will tell you, like GSOC, Google Summer of Code. In that they want that they first register some of the NGOs in the sense there are organizations with whom many students are associated. They work on different open source projects. You know, open source projects maybe like VLC Media Player, Firefox. There are n number, right? You know it better than us. So on such different patches, if you have worked, then that kind of contribution also helps to get selected in this kind of companies. Now, one second, please. So command on program, what is basic need? Command on programming language, maybe options are like C, C++. C is must, that is basic thing. And Dennis Ritchie, instead of Kanitkar or other books, they suggest that the people who are starting from Dennis Ritchie, they get probably good inputs. C++, moderate, it is quite easy to learn. Java is also a bit easy or moderate, we can say, but Android, for Android apps, web apps, Android is better. That is what they say. But if you see competitive coding on these different platforms like CodeShape, etc. So C++, they say that there are two terms: space complexity and time complexity. So as far as time complexity is concerned, I think some of the experts say that C++ is better, but it depends upon you which particular language you like the most. Then Python is there, but Python, many experts say students should avoid because ready-made libraries are available, and that's why anybody can copy and paste it. But if you have that zeal for data analytics, AI, ML, then in that case, Python is more suitable. But I suggest C++ or Java. One of them you should really master. If both the languages you learn, it is better. But in one of the C++ or Java language, you have to be master, right? Then maybe as it is said, if you know one language of these two, another you can learn in 20 days also. That is more than sufficient. Next. So duration for learning the language, maybe 1 month. Here I have mentioned 2 months, but that is not actually required. 1 month is more than sufficient. In many companies, yes, advantage of Java is that in many companies, if you don't get selected for top notch, but at least this language will help you to get good projects. Then comes major important thing, that is data structures and algorithms. For getting selected in this kind of companies, dear friends, this is the only way to reach out to your goal. So you must be excellent in data structures, right? In depth knowledge of data structures you should have. When and how to apply which algorithm, that knowledge should be really good. How to write optimized code is needed. Time and space complexity, as I said, is important. Notations, then practice of writing, actually writing, right? Most of you have the habit, if you know something, okay, directly you start writing syntax and that code. But people who are experts in these kind of companies who got selected, they say in general in interviews you will be asked to write the code. So start practicing writing that logic on paper and pen, right? On paper, if you write it with the help of pen, then maybe that sequence of your thoughts or that logic building happens in a better way. That is what they say. Or use whiteboard. It's your choice. Different approaches are there, and they check during the interviews also. They will say, okay, you might reach to one solution, but that probably may not be the only solution. So they generally expect that this person, if he is thinking, then he can think in 2 3 ways, and then can finalize the optimized way, right? So that is what is needed. So thinking and your analytical skills must be good, dear friends. So analytical skills are also checked in such kind of interviews. So how to be excellent in data structures and algorithms. So dear friends, solve around 200 to 250 problems on different topics, right? Make it a habit every day for 1.5 hour, and make small groups of your own, right? It will help you a lot. In these groups you discuss what is needed. You see, you watch 3 4 good videos, ask your 2 3 friends to watch another 2 3 4 videos and discuss. What is that? Dhattarwal, Aman Dhattarwal, if I'm not wrong, that person is a good trainer on maybe on these data structures and algorithms, or how to get selected. You can go to YouTube. I watched these around uh, 7 to 8 videos also. They were really excellent. I liked it. And he explains in very easy way in Hindi. So probably that will be a good opportunity for you to go ahead in details. They have their own series of lectures also. You can think, and accordingly you can decide. So these are the different topics. On each of these topics, following topics: trees, strings, graphs, queues, recursion, linked lists, stack and queues, then dynamic programming, segment tree, bit manipulation. So on this 2020, on each topic, you solve these problems. Probably that practice. As I always say, in case of aptitude, person having 9 pointer and 6 pointer, once they are eligible, then who practices more probably will get the job first. That is for sure. So similarly here, the person who is topper and another person who may not be topper, but that person is really excellent in this particular thing. So dear friends, probably he might get the job, or he might get selected in this kind of companies first as compared to toppers, because he will practice more. So develop that habit of solving certain problems on these different technologies, dear friends. Internship will definitely help you out. Internship in some product development companies. So contact us or your seniors through departments, through alumni network. We have Alma Connect portal. I want that everybody from your team or your batch should be there on Alma Connect, and find out which are our students in last 5 10 years who are working in many different product development companies, and probably they can help you in getting internships in those product development companies, right? So hands-on experience matters. Go for product companies internships. 80% battle is won there. If you get and see, there are 3 4 options available for Microsoft. 3 4 options are available for Google, and similarly 2-3 options are there for Amazon also. Even Adobe and other companies are also there. So if you get their internship, then as I said, 80% chances are there, 80 or 90% chances are there that you will get PPO, that is called as pre-placement offer. So your first aim should be to get selected. Ma'am, these are 23 batch students or 24 batch students or mix? Hello, Sonali ma'am?
You are audible, sir.
No, these students are 23 batch students or 24 or mix?
No, sir. These are SY BTech. Last year
okay.
admitted.
24 batch. In
Yes,
our
sir.
terms, 24.
24.
Yeah, so dear friends, from January, next 2-3 months, you can get internship in these companies. If you really invest your next 2 months very, very seriously, every day 3 hours, more than sufficient. And if you are giving more time, nothing like that. But in 2 months, your one programming language mastery and data structures algorithms must be finished. And if you are really good on these technologies as of now, then immediately start working on different competitive coding platforms and participate. See, LeetCode is good for beginners. I will show in one of the slides few of those websites I can say I have brought in for you guys. So probably you can start with LeetCode, and maybe as your expertise level goes on, you can go for the next level also. So dear friends, Google Summer of Code is the most famous one, right? Follow some specific functionality, write proposal with your mentor, teacher, send to GSOC, second or third year students can do it. Internships of IITs, ISC and NITs, this is another good route. So find out which are the good professors in IITs. They conduct some summer school programs. So in those summer school programs, if you perform better, they probably will give you certain good internships, and that will also help when you apply for such companies, because you get that kind of knowledge which these product companies expect. Go to websites of product companies, their career pages, and in those career pages, internships are given. You might be aware about FANG, FANG. So this is the popular term in the students, in the aspiring students who want to go ahead with career in such kind of good companies. So FANG means F is Facebook, A probably is I think Amazon, then N is Netflix, G is Google. I think it is like that. They called it as FANG companies. So most of students from IITs, NITs, they aspire for that. They prepare again in the similar way as I said. 2 months they prepare thoroughly for this, and they get selected. In second year they do internship, and on that internship only they get the offer in the third year itself. Right? So startups, there are certain startups which are really good startups. So you can opt this option also, or doing internship in those startups. IITians, IIM people in some of the cities like Bangalore, Hyderabad, Chennai, they have really good startups. So you can also avail that facility and apply for such companies, right? So if you do some 2-3 good internships, probably one of them can provide you good opportunity of getting selected through PPO offer also. Now, in tier 1 colleges, companies conduct drives for internships in the third year itself. Most of the internships are converted into PPOs. Some options are available even in second year. As I am saying, you please completely prepare yourself now in these next 2-3 months only, and probably our additional inputs will be there. We will try to give you some inputs through this special batch, but still I will say before that only you should be ready. As ma'am said, they will be conducting the test on given, maybe ma'am will share with you the syllabus, etc. But you should be ready before that, right? So this is high time for you, dear friends. And special opportunities for female candidates are also given in some of these companies. Example, Microsoft, Adobe. I think for your batch, I have already shared Adobe recruitment or internship opportunity details. Please apply for that. Probably you will get selected through that route also, right? And if you are getting selected, if you want to join in, maybe your batch is 24, so you will be passing out in June or July 24. But before that, before 1 year, you should have that PPO in your hand. So that should be your level of preparation, dear friends. So there are certain requirements also. As I said, contribution in open source projects also can help you for getting such companies. So maybe some examples are like Linux in Hadoop computer networks, Wireshark is there, then in compilers, LANs. So probably these terms you or your teachers know it better. I, being a mechanical engineer, I don't know much about it, but these are the things which I could get from some of the websites. So now we will see when to start, and 1 second, please. Yeah. So when to start? Actually, you should have started in the semester one itself, your first year, first semester. Some of you might have already worked on your basic programming things. Those who are not, we still have good time in data structures and algorithms. You should be ready with at least maybe now you can start immediately. Competitive coding, same 3 and 4, you can work on it. Internship, maybe in same fifth, sixth, or seventh also you can go ahead with. For example, your seniors, 2022 batch students, if they get selected, some of them who will get selected in Amazon, now test is done. If they get selected, then probably in the seventh semester they will do internship there. Right. So now for competitive coding, which are the good websites? So dear friends, we see you start from here. I forgot to mention LitCode, LEETCOD. So that LitCode is a good source. Then you go ahead with HackerRank, HackerEarth, and then as you go in the expertise level, then in that case I will say CodeShape is better. Topcoder is good. Codeforces is also better, and Geek4Geeks is also good for beginners as well as for medium level users. Right? Topic wise questions are available on all these websites, dear friends. Star ratings are given, as ma'am said. There are 7 ratings, 7-star ratings in CodeShape, and those who are excellent, they can go beyond 5, 6 level also. So our students today itself, I met 2 students, Mr. Ganesh and Jitendra, who got selected in Dhruva Technologies from our 2022 batch, and both of them are having 4, I think 4 or 5 star rating on CodeShape. So please talk to such students; they will probably help you in a better way to understand how to go ahead and get good ranks. Importance of marks. Yes, your marks are also equally important. Many students with more marks are nowadays available. So to choose what companies do, they give some initial filtration. Suppose 200 students appear for a Amazon Drive, then maybe their cutoff is say 50, and out of this 200, 180 students cross that 50% of their cutoff. So they cannot interview all 180. So what they will do, they will again put filter and maybe say they will choose only top 50 for interviews, right? So these things happen. So that's why your marks also play a role in getting selected. So do not divert from marks also. You should get good marks. If more students crack first test, companies do have some filtration. Then some companies keep the eligibility of 7 or 8 or 9 CGPA also. If more number of students are eligible, then in that case, they may keep criteria on the higher side. Then get as many for that purpose. This will help you. Important theory subjects. So during your second year, third year, some subjects will be very, very important. So which are those subjects? So OOPS, right? Operating systems. In that, again, topic like deadlocks, operating system, OOPS concepts, networking, DBMS, all the queries, and can learn DBMS. You can learn even now also. You can learn DBMS on your own. Good websites are there. Go to Udemy or go to Coursera or maybe some other websites like NPTEL are there. So go to the and do some data structures basic courses also on these websites. For example, Coursera or even what is that NPTEL for learning the course and videos, it is almost free. Only if you want certification, then probably you have to invest say 800, 1200, and it's not that much, dear friends. If you go and watch movie there, also you spend 500-600 very easily. So this is peanuts, nothing, and you are paying the fees almost around 1.5 lakhs per year. So in 4 years, you are spending this fees plus other expenses, almost 10 lakhs you are investing. So few thousand rupees, don't hesitate at all for such good things. It will be your lifetime achievement. So go ahead with which are the probably Sonali ma'am, Rajeshwari ma'am, they will suggest you for data structures, algorithms, which are the good courses on these various platforms. Take their guidance and do some 1 or 2 certification courses also. Then testing, system design. So how the system, when we tweet something or when we write some comment on Facebook, then how in the background that structure works. So that's why system design is one of the most important subject. These subjects can be learned by other branch students also, maybe like make ANTC civil. And those who are really interested, it's nothing. Don't think that this is only the cup of tea for made for comp or IT. No, nothing like that. There are many examples even in our own college. Students getting selected in many product companies like Quantify, etc., and where the students are happily working and they have very easily learned these concepts, right? Even make ANTC and civil students also. And if 100 companies are there for CSIT, maybe other students, other branch students may get some less companies, but they will also get some good companies, dear friends. So once you are prepared with maybe 3 steps I already spoke. First is your C++ or Java preparation. Second step, your data structures and algorithms. Third step was competitive coding. So now this is final touch up. How to do it? Then brush up all your basics, practice, practice, and practice. This is one good website, Interview Beat. So this Interview Beat website, dear friends, people say that it is excellent website for understanding which are the questions asked by these different companies, product companies at different levels, maybe first level of online test or second level of some coding, etc. So many examples are given, some problems are given, some solutions are also given. For starting, Lead Code is really excellent. It is free. Pramp is a paid website. Pramp and Career Cup. This is another paid website. But people say these 2 websites are also good. If you go ahead with initially for free like Lead Code, then afterwards, if your expertise is good, please go ahead. And even you have to use some smartness. 3-4 friends can come together. First, I will say you complete all the syllabus, and then syllabus in the sense those 3 early steps, and then one of you can have your account to have your account on these paid websites, but you can share. Some 4 or 5 people can share, and you can have one account. Interview experiences of other selected or failed students also. Even failed students interviews on YouTube as well as Quora, you probably will get some good examples. So please watch those videos also and see what were the previously asked questions. Selection process of these companies are like this. They will give you pre-placement talk, then MCQs, theory plus language, output, error kind of questions will be asked. Coding round will be there, technical interview or interviews. Even coding, either one round or 2-3 rounds might be there, depending upon company to company. And finally, the HR interview will be there. So, dear friends, these were some of the suggestions from my end, and I wish that most of you should get selected in this kind of product companies. We already have shared, I think. In last week, I have shared some material, so please check that material. Many good websites are also given. Some of our faculty, Sonali ma'am, her team, some students have helped ma'am. They have come up with some of the data on the Google Drive. They have already kept it, and we have circulated that link in your email groups also, as well as your WhatsApp groups also. So once again, thank you, ma'am, for giving me the opportunity to share my thoughts with these students, and I wish good luck to all these students. Thank you so much.
Really, it was a very informative guidance, sir, that I can say. Especially the intention behind forming this platinum placement group is just because we could have the crux of this placement information. So this is really apt information that you have shared with all of the students, sir. So thank you very much, sir. And we'll definitely try to this PPG group that these students will try to succeed with all our expectations, coding point of view, apti, placement, other preparation, their personal speaking skills also. So we'll definitely have a proper plan that will be shared with these all students regarding programming skills. There were few suggestions in the chat box, few questions in the chat box for all those points that will be shared when we have, actually we are planning to have the form which is shared with all these students, and these students will be putting their details, and according to that we'll have a selection process and the detailed information will be communicated to all those students. And
Okay, ma'am.
yes sir.
Shall I disturb?
Yes sir, sure.
Yeah. There is one question in the Q&A.
Yes sir.
One student is asking, can you please brief us regarding preparation for GSOC? Yes, dear friends, I have gone through some of the videos regarding GSOC also. So maybe as and when ma'am will let us know. Ma'am, please let me know. We can have one separate session for GSOC also.
Yes sir, sure.
Let me know in advance for 2-3 days so that we can prepare accordingly.
Yes.
Is there any other question in the chat box, or this was the only in Q&A session?
Actually sir, can we share your PPT with these students, sir?
Yeah,
For
yeah,
class
not a
Google
problem.
groups?
Not a problem. I will share it with you, ma'am.
Yes sir. So for related questions, we'll have again further sessions for defining the selection process. What are the preparation that to be performed to clear this test and be a part of this special batch, that is PPG group. Yes, YouTube channels and website. Actually, we have this common mail which is circulated for the all the students of PCET students regarding the CodeShape, NPTEL, and other Udemy courses where the students can learn free. So self-learning attitude will help them all to prepare all these kind of things. So all attendees will share the PPT with you, with comp also, and with IT students groups, with some channels and website information also. The form will be circulated just in the next week with all detailed guidelines. So thank you, Dr. Rajeshwari ma'am, Dr. Ravindra sir.
Ma'am,
Dr.
1 minute.
Sonali ma'am.
Ma'am, give me some time. I want to share one or two more informative. This one. 1 minute,
Yes,
please.
sir. Fine, no problem.
Is my screen visible? I think I got stuck up somewhere. 1 second, please.
Just go to that tab, sir, that you want to select.
I'm not able to.
Is it a PPT or any URL tab?
This
Yes.
one, this one. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. Can you see the slide, ma'am?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so these are some important websites, dear friends. Free Code Camp is also one. This one, Free Code Camp. So see, this is suggested by one of our own students, Sania Gapchuk. This student, she is a NMIT student, but she has joined that course. Google course is there. So she is already working on many things, and DSA she has already finished. So she suggested that this Free Code Camp is a good website, right? Then, as I said, Karan Khakarar, then Top Coder, GitHub, and Kaggle. Kaggle is also one good website. And this mail I already circulated. Sonali ma'am has arranged this session of two of our students. One student, Aishwarya Surebhan, she got selected in Amazon after completing her MS from US, and she is right now working in. She had joined Amazon, and another student Meghna was there. So this is the link which I think 1 second. I can share it right now. Can I share it in chat box, ma'am?
Yes, sir. You can just access to that chat box. You can copy. Paste it there.
Is it there, ma'am? Can you see?
Yes, sir.
So, dear friends, this is that video. You can go through this video. Recently, we have conducted this session, and in that session, summary is like tips by Aishwarya. She said that practice problems on lead code, then go to another website that is 30dayscoding.com. Then for cracking the coding interview, she has given certain tips, and Google Tech Guide is also there. So these are some of the things she recommended very highly. She recommended lead code for beginners. Then another student, Meghna, said William Fissett. So William Fissett, he has his YouTube channel. So in that you can subscribe this. Again, I will copy it and paste it in your chat box. So these videos of Mr. Williams are excellent. Many people, she said that they follow him for this purpose. She said that data structures, arrays, he is covering nicely. And for most of these things, she said book of Narsimha Karumanchi book. So this book, she said, is the excellent book for preparing for top companies. Apart from that, she had shared these different links also. I will also paste it. 1 second. Again, I have pasted it. So these are the good links she suggested. Amazon preparation material. So Sonali ma'am has taken the initiative, and in this particular group or Google Drive, you can see the study material. Amazon preparation 1, 2. I think in that mail which I already circulated, you will find these details, right? So again, some suggestions were given. Online assessment. Tripura. So what are the tests? What are the round one? See, here it is mentioned after applying from the job portal, you will get it. Then debugging round is there, right? First is online assessment, consists of 3 different parts. In that, 3 parts are like debugging round, 20 to 30 minutes. Then next round is 20 for 60 to 90 minutes, and another third round will be for 1.5 to 2 hours. So all these things are given. You can go through that video in detail. Then technical interviews are there, and accordingly you can go ahead for Google internships also. As some students were asking what were the opportunities. So for Google, you can go to this website, careers.google.com/students. In that, there are different ways. So GSOC, for GSOC, there is one way. Another way is Google Kickstart. It was formerly known as Google APAC, right? So basically, it is also programming contest, and it is conducted multiple times in a year. Applying via the career portal. So I already given this website. So careers.google.com. You can go there and find out. Google also hires ACTI, then trust and safety interns and application developer interns. So that is another opportunity. Getting a referral, as I said, is one best way. Then search for employees on, I already talked, and Google Code Jam. Yes, Google Code Jam is also one more website. I will share this link. This is also one important link. 1 second, please. So again, this link I have shared. You also search for what is Google Code Jam, and there also you can see what you can do. Please complete your application. Yes, again, dear friends, immediately you should apply for this. 18th October is the last date for applying for Google Code Jam. So link is mentioned above. So this link which I shared is there, and 18th October is the last date. So before that you can apply. And interviews actually will happen afterwards. Then you will get that opportunity. Your proposal will be seen by some seniors. You probably will get mentor. Together you will put that proposal. You will get sanctioned. Then maybe if you are getting selected, then in March. What is that? November, December, January, February, 2 months will be given. Out of these 4 months, 2 months will be given, and in March, actually, depending upon the level of your work, you and your mentor will be tested. So this is generally happening. Internship is for 12 weeks in GSOC, and it starts generally between May and June. But process starts right now in October. You have to apply. There are certain opportunities for Microsoft internships. Ma'am, I have time. Can I, or shall?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We have no problem.
Okay, so dear
You continue.
friends, this material I have collected from different websites as well as different videos I have seen, and from that I have collected some of this material. So Microsoft internships are given on these different websites. So every year Microsoft also conducts Microsoft Student Partner or Associate Program, where Microsoft selects 400 to 600 students as MSPs or MSAs. You can see the details on website also. Microsoft Student Partner and Student Associate, they call it as. Apart from that, internships at Adobe are also available. So again, I'm sharing that link of Microsoft Adobe. So dear friends, one of the session I had attended, in that the author mentions that there should be passion, fundamental should be clear. The passion should be there. Yes, at any cost, I will definitely get selected in product companies. Fundamental should be good. Problem solving skills and attitude matters, right? Then interest for coding should be there. Final language of your choice. So, sorry, find language of your choice, as I already spoke about it. Yeah, integrated environment for coding. This he suggests that you should work on integrated environment. Learn to debug IDE environment, etc. Visual Studio, I think idea, probably your teachers will be in a position to tell you more about this. Then again, the same suggestion: pen and paper, writing sequentially what you want to describe, or your logical thinking should come first on pen and paper. Pseudocode, dry running on paper, and it takes different values of inputs. In some of the interviews, they say that if you write the code on pen and paper, then they will give you, this is the input, find out what is the output. So in that case, probably this pen paper helps. He also mentioned that CodeShape and Top Coders are better. Then these are some of the coding contests like ACM, ICPC. I'm not aware about this, but this contest he said was good. Then in subjects, he said multi-threading, computer architecture, networking are the subjects which probably help you out, right? Then maybe 1 second, please. I think battery is low.
I could see in the chat box there are many requests that please share this PDF, share this PDF, share this document. So students, just have patience.
Yeah.
We'll be sharing this all material together.
Yeah, I will share everything. Don't worry, guys.
Yes,
So
you continue.
multi-threading, computer architecture, networking, and then some hobby projects, as I said, on simple website building, developing some games or apps. Google Server Code, I'm not aware what exactly it is, but he said that it also helps. 4 to 6 months planning is required. That is what we said, that 1 or 2 months probably are more than sufficient if you go to the next level of preparation. And practicing, again he said practice is most important. Then hackathons, participate in all the hackathons. TCS has hackathon, many other companies, maybe Accenture has hackathon, Smart India hackathon is there. I think there also many of your seniors won some of the contests, right? So these things are necessary, dear friends, and work on given problem statements. So if you work on more and more problem statements, probably it will definitely help you out. And yes, other things I already discussed with you, right? So these are some of the platforms. Yeah, some courses to get started. So see, here there are some courses mentioned. EDX, CSSO, Coursera, then Goal Kicker, then Gigs for Gigs. So these are some of the online sources. Apart from that, platforms already we discussed. Are there some more? Google Kickstart, Google Hashcode. Yes, Google Hashcode is one more contest, dear friends. So that also you can see. Then Facebook has Facebook Hacker Cup. So this Hacker Cup probably also you can participate once you go to the next level. So dear friends, I think these are some of the inputs we would like to share with you. So as ma'am also said, how much serious you are, right? It completely depends upon it. And it's in the some of the interview they said I was an average student, not even prepared thoroughly even for clearing many tough exams, but he or she believe in our students. Our students are one of the top notch students in Maharashtra, and that's why for our students probably it will not be that difficult. Thank you so much once again, guys.
Thank you very much, sir. Really, students, if we take at least 10% of it, it will be a big success to crack any of the interview. So surely we'll share the complete document with the instructions also and the links also. Actually, we are trying to modify the practices that we follow with some experiences. As like sir has just explained what is the experience those students who are placed. So just have patience, students. Will be sharing this complete document. So on behalf of Sonali ma'am, because she left sir for HOD meetings Wednesday.
Yes, ma'am. No problem.
So on behalf of Sonali ma'am, I thank Dr. Shital Kumar Ravandare, who is Dean Triple I. I thank Dr. Rajeshwari ma'am, who will be the coordinators for this Platinum Placement Group. So thank you all attendees, and we'll definitely work together to have that success that we students will be getting more than 30-40 lakh packages. Thank you very much, sir. So I'll call off for the day.